Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust or change your Windows XP font size. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Start button and select the Control Panel on the right side. You want to make sure you're underneath Category View, and if you're on the left side it says Switch to Category View, go ahead and select that. And then you want to select where it says Appearance and Themes. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath where it says or pick a control panel icon, select Display. Select the Appearance tab. And then where it says Font Size, click on the drop down. So you can select normal, large fonts, or extra large fonts, depending on what you need. And then you would select Apply for the changes to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.